As you guys know, New Year's resolutions have a very low percentage rate of accomplishment due to not knowing how to achieve the objective. So today we are going to bulletproof your weight loss goals and wellness bucket list. And I promise you, after hearing this message, you will feel more motivated to get started. So let's get into it, shall we? First, if you are new to my channel, I want you to know that I support people who pursue holistic weight loss where mind, body, and spirit work together to bring you permanent, desirable results. And if that rings true to you, do not hesitate to subscribe to learn more. Now, we are going to create something customized and personalized to fit you. So let's start with the bucket list. A very popular bucket list might include skydiving or traveling across the world. However, you don't really have to do that. Instead, if your heart seeks to learn a specific workout movement, then that is going to be on your list. For example, I always wanted to learn how to do a sandbag lift, so I did it. Or maybe you could sign up for a meditation course to lower your stress levels for your well-being. I did that. And I personally signed up for a 10-day silent retreat and got a lot of benefit out of it. I will have a link underneath the description below if you would like to check that out. So maybe the meditation isn't your thing, so you might want to learn how to swim or swim a certain distance. Well, if you do decide to do that, you would actually kill two birds with one stone, because that will complement your weight loss goals for that desirable permanent change. If you ask me, my bucket list includes meeting my mentor, owning an eco-friendly house, and drinking ayahuasca, which is a psychedelic potion that I've been wanting to do for the longest. And also have a running successful seminar where I will be empowering people to become a healthy and vibrant person. You see, these ideas reflect my personality and what I stand for. If you want to take it a step further, I invite you to put your list on a board or a binder by cutting out pictures and quotes. I made a video on how to create your own vision board on my channel. It's called Turn Your Dreams into Reality. I will also put a link below for you to check that out. You can also paint it or draw it. If you want to get technical and strategize how to get there, you can use a method called SMART goals. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. So let's start with S, specific. Make it a clear goal. You want to make sure that when you create this goal, it needs to be very specific. What exactly are you trying to accomplish? If you're trying to lose weight, well, how much weight do you want to lose? What if you want to lose fat? How much fat percentage are you looking to get into? M stands for measurable. You gotta track your progress. A tracking progress allows you to measure the distance you are from achieving your goal. A stands for achievable. Set a challenging yet achievable goal. This specific part is where you're able to customize to your needs. Maybe you set a goal way too high for yourself. Well, you know you can lower it down a little. R stands for relevant. Set goals that are relevant to your life goals. Most people don't know exactly what they want in life. So this is very important to brainstorm and to even explore the things in life that brightens your day. And lastly, T stands for time-based. So make sure to have a finish line so that way you know you're improving, and this will create a sense of accountability to finish your goal. If you all want me to make a step-by-step weight loss goal using this method, then hit the like button so that I know you want it. Now, if you're going to use this SMART method, I highly recommend you to first use the GROWS model. I got this idea from a coach named Mark Dama. G stands for goal. What is your goal? And make it clear. R stands for reality. Where are you now? And what challenges do you foresee that is going to stop you from hitting the goal? O stands for options. List all your ideas you can think of to achieve the goal. This is the brainstorming phase. W stands for willing. Out of all the ideas, which ones are you willing to do? This is where you judge and eliminate all the ideas on the list that is irrelevant or unrealistic. S stands for security. Find out what you need to accomplish the goal. It could be a support group, a coach, or a friend. You just need something that will secure your goal. In summary, no matter what, you need to make this bucket list or goal a reality. A dream will always be that, a dream. If your dream is to move like a youth at the age of 60 or lose weight and feel energized every morning, then let's make it happen by using these methods. As cliche as it might sound, you need to be the change. Be the person that has already achieved the bucket list because it's already in you. I hope this message motivated you to get started. So enjoy it, indulge it, but mindfully. Namaste.